How to contact Instagram customer service. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to contact Instagram customer service. So for that, just simply open your Instagram account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Instagram account, all you have to do is just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply go to the three dot menu icon from the top right corner of the screen. And now just simply scroll down till the bottom of the page, and under the more info and support you will be able to see the option called help. Just simply tap on it, and over here you have bunch of different options. So either you can go ahead and click on report a problem, account status, meta verified, help center, and other things. So if you click on report a problem, then you have to what kind of problem that you are facing. So you can report about the abuse or spam, and it shouldn't be submitted here. So you can shake your phone and go back as well, and you can also report a problem without shaking. And now you just have to click on include and continue, and over here you just simply have to explain the Instagram what kind of a problem you are facing in the Instagram. Just make sure that you are being very comprehensive in detailed while explaining what kind of a problem that you are facing in your Instagram account. It could be related to some community guidelines or comments on your profile or your post, or you might be facing some error while loading or uploading pictures on the Instagram, and it could be anything. And once you have mentioned the detailed problem over here, just simply click on send, and as soon as you report a problem and send it to the Instagram customer team, they will reach out to you and help you regarding solving that particular problem. And the another way that you have is reaching out to the Instagram support is that you can also contact them on this particular number 1650 5434 800, and on this number you can call them, and you can face some automated voiceover. So you just have to go through that, and you can reach out to them and explain your problem, and they will definitely solve your problem regarding whatever issue that you are facing in your Instagram account. So this is basically how you will be able to contact customer support. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.